All right, guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man Jay. Wow, it is finally here. I've been waiting to show you this. I actually got this a week ago. Let me stop lying. I just hadn't had time to get to it. But this is the 8849 Mars, and this is a mini HD projector. So see it as that 1280 by 720 resolution, 100 lumens. So no charging needed. It's just powered directly by the device that you plug into it, which is so nice. So you get instant plug and play from your phone, your tablet, your laptop, via device of the data cable. Now that is boss. This is a serious contender for someone who wants to display something on the go with your phone. I really like this. So we're gonna get into the box here. This is the box that it comes in. We're gonna go ahead and get into it here. Shout out to the Jerry Rig knife. Yeah, I got this a while back and I've just been so busy. I didn't have time to bring it out to you guys, but today is the day. I've got time. Love the box. I'm gonna go ahead and cut through here. I'm gonna show you this and I'll project a video or something of mine up on the wall with plug and play. Come on, buddy. Come on, guy. Oh snap! I didn't know it was gonna be this small. This is crazy nice right here, man. How thick is it? Oh, it's a good size, man. Oh yeah, it's got a little bit of weight to it too. I like this. Let's see here. Let's pop it open here. Oh yeah, this is crazy. Look at this, man. So you just got your Type-C and your video. So you can go power here or just plug right in the video. And there's a little projector. I'm getting ready to project this right on the wall, son, so you can see exactly how it works. This is way more compact than I thought. It said mini, but you know. So here's the stand. You get an extra little magnetic thing there like MagSafe. And here's the stand that it comes with. So you can stand it up. Like that. It'll project onto the wall. This is what it looks like at this angle. You can literally throw this in any bag, man. This is gonna be this is actually something that might be really useful. And then here is the data cable. And here's a port for the older iPhones. And I'm gonna test that in this video too. All right, that's everything in the box. I'll test out my iPhone 13 Pro Max with this. And then I'll also test out, a current generation phone through Type-C. Let's go. All right, guys, so here it is right here. You can see it's projecting right here. Now it says plug and play and instant projection when you connect the device, but you're gonna need power. And it doesn't say that directly in the, it just says no charging needed, powered directly by the connected device, eliminating the need for external battery power. But when I plugged in the iPhone, the 13 Pro Max, it didn't power on. And I plugged in, this is my Galaxy S25 Ultra, it still needed power. So it still works though. And it also brought up Samsung DeX once I plugged in my Galaxy S25 Ultra. So that's actually pretty cool. Now you can make this thing ginormous. I just have it on my desk right here, projecting onto the wall. But let me show you on a bigger area. So here it is projecting really big on my wall as almost a 55-inch display. That's a 55-inch screen right there. And this is about 55 or so. Now, it's actually really cool, man, but you still, I noticed that it says no power, like I said, but when I unplugged it, I think it might be the data cable that they supplied that's having issues, but point is, you can use it without power. You just have to make sure it's working properly at the right angles or with the cable or whatever, but I do have it back on power, and it is absolutely super cool to be able to project this on the wall like this. So something that's very useful to a lot of people, more than likely, on-the-go pocket-sized projector. This is actually really cool. All right, this little pint-sized projector is actually pretty cool. I find myself using it. So the cable here, it says power here, and it says video here. I think it's a little misleading if I'm being honest. It says no power needed, but you're gonna have to power this thing to get a consistent connection. It's battery free, so it's gonna have to have some power. So I found that when I have power in here, it's consistent power, and I can plug in video out here. But then when I remove the power, it's like it wants to start the video, and the cable, the data cable that's being used here, for some reason, I don't know if it's a bad cable or whatever, but it works consistently when there's power on this side. But when there's not power on this side, it's a little finicky. So I'll play with that some more. But for the most part, this is a legit product, man. This thing is super nice and compact. Even though it's 720p, it is actually pretty clear, to my surprise. This uses Samsung DeX as well. So this will be very good for a lot of different situations, presentations, or just sharing a movie with someone, like I just shared that video with you. So this is the 8849 Mars mini projector, and it is actually legit. It's very nice. I'm going to continue to use this too. Can't wait to show it off. I'll see you in the next video. Take care.